So a new social media app that is doing the rounds. It's gained a lot of notoriety, and it's become infamous over the last few months. Is OnlyFans.
OnlyFans.
Good life, easy.
So basically, to give a gist of the app, it's an app where content creators who are essentially influencers, so who have to have a fan base, create exclusive content for this app, and their fans pay a monthly subscription for the exclusive content.
Yeah.
And the reason why it's become infamous,
So it's like a subscriber-based app.
it's a subscriber-based app. So it's only for the real fans. And the reason why this app has become infamous is because majority of the content creators are adult entertainers, which basically means exotic dancers,
Sex
porn
workers,
stars,
bros.
sex workers, cam models,
Correct.
whatnot.
Correct.
And the exclusive content that they are putting out, which basically means feet and tits.
Like you open Instagram right now, there's only OnlyFans. You go to any influencer,
They're promoting
you go to the
OnlyFans.
influencer's mother, you go to the mother's mother. If you're from the influencer generation, you have an OnlyFans. OnlyFans is, do you think it's direct competition to Pornhub? And like
Bro.
all these porn website, is it a porn website or like what? Because as per my research, the only reason why there are a lot of sex workers and strippers and of course those kind of professionals come onto the app because there's a, you know, like how Instagram has if you put up any graphic content on Instagram, they'll directly block it out.
Yeah.
On OnlyFans they don't.
Yeah.
So that's why it attracted.
Uncensored, exclusive.
Yeah. But that's not what they wanted to go for. Now that's what they claim. They said that we did this not to attract just these kind of people, but also other kind of people like chefs, trainers, artists. So they could also get exclusive content and they could sell the exclusive content.
All of this is there.
So yeah, but this apparently has attracted a very...
So 80% of OnlyFans is just softcore porn.
Yeah.
If Pornhub is YouTube, OnlyFans is Netflix.
Well said. Very well put.
Subscription
very
based, whereas YouTube is totally free.
Very well put.
Pornhub is totally free.
Correct.
Netflix is subscription, OnlyFans is subscription.
Correct.
So it is definitely a competition. The product they're selling is slightly different. But essentially the audience is the same.
But it depends on who's going to pay, bro.
People are paying.
Not everyone is paying, yeah.
But you see,
But if it's available for free, why are people paying?
it's not nothing is for free on OnlyFans.
No, I'm saying it, like think about it. Okay, we came to the conclusion that OnlyFans is a porn,
Softcore
is somewhat a porn platform.
Yeah.
Okay, for creators and for fans or viewers.
Yeah.
But porn is free, so you don't need to pay for that. So why would you pay for this? Is what I'm trying to understand.
And look at the beauty of the situation. Porn stars who are already putting out free content on Pornhub are making 20 times the money on OnlyFans.
Imagine.
You know?
Imagine.
So these porn stars, they make basically just by doing basic shit like showering or, you know, like just putting out nude images on a beach or some nicely photographed nudes or whatever.
Correct.
They're making upwards of like 100,000 a day.
Oh.
The top tier.
So the problem is
The top tier porn stars.
Are people into like that soft shit now? Or
Maybe it's like people want that.
Okay, wait, I got it, bro. I got it. People are fed up of the picture perfect life.
Yes.
You know?
So they want
people
that amateur look.
People don't want that picture perfect vibe because they're fed up of it.
Yeah.
You know?
Highly produced.
And is it because of COVID and OnlyFans took off like 6 months back?
Yeah.
So their everything doubled. Their revenue doubled. Their content creator numbers doubled. Their whatever subscribers doubled. But this all doubled only during COVID.
Obviously.
So do you think it's a way of connecting to other people like OnlyFans, you know, reaching out to your influencers and the people you're following? Because every time you open Instagram, you're going to view them.
Yeah.
So you're like, oh shit, let me feel a deeper connection with this person.
So what happens is that influencers obviously want to, you know, not put all the eggs in one basket. So any new app comes, like everybody went to TikTok, right?
Yeah.
So when OnlyFans came, all the big influencers have gone there and they have made a lot of money because fans want more. They're in a time like today, okay, where in terms of porn, everything is available for free,
Bro.
right? But people are choosing to pay money to see next to nothing. Think about it. It makes no sense. Firstly, OnlyFans is predominantly like cam porn.
Yeah, like
right? Like live cam or
bro, what do
whatever.
you want basically? In porn is
Right?
what you want.
Yeah,
you
what do you
have,
want?
You
Yeah.
get everything.
Yeah.
You
so
know?
everything is available for free, but people are saying that no, let me pay for semi-nudes.
Correct.
The popular categories of OnlyFans. What do you
Some
think? they are?
whack shit.
Whack shit, bro.
Some whack shit.
When
bro.
I read, I was like, whoa,
What
this
shit?
is another world.
Oh,
Can't
shit.
relate.
Oh shit. Like this is the trending category.
So basically, the most popular is $10 penis ratings.
Sorry, what? $10 penis rating.
You send your dick pic and the
Person. Oh my god.
the
bro.
sex worker
No, I'm
or the
telling
porn
you,
star
I'm
will
telling you.
rate your penis, give it out of 10, and you're paying $10 for that. And I'm like, Matlab, you have lost it. You have too much money.
Bro, people have
First world
flipped it.
problems.
People have flipped it. People have flipped it.
I'll tell you a second one. The second number, 20 minutes of text humiliation.
Oh shit.
Why would
Oh shit.
$20?
Oh shit.
How
Oh
much?
shit. $20. 20. Isn't there something like girlfriend experience
Bro, firstly,
on OnlyFans?
bro, why would anybody pay, like, even if you're a submissive or whatever, bro?
Texting?
Humiliation?
Bro, what the hell? If you're
20
getting how much?
minutes?
$20, how much?
$20 for
Bro,
20 minutes of texting.
Of just abusing?
Like, you are being humiliated.
Oh wow, bro.
Yeah.
I don't mind giving that a shot like 2-3 times a day, bro. Make $60, $100 din ka, bro. You know?
And then the most expensive one is the certain sex workers. They charge up to like $300, $500 when it was allowed to be tipped that much. That you can dictate their day. You can tell them how to live their day.
People have gotten weird, bro.
And I realized, dude, why? Like, people just want to spend money. Do they not
Damn.
have enough places?
Damn.
to
There's
spend money?
something like the girlfriend experience also, no? Basically like a model or like an influencer will just be your girl for the day.
Virtual girl?
But, yeah, like a virtual girl, but all she'll do is text you.
Who are the fans? Men or women?
I think men.
100%.
Men, 100%. But there are women fans also.
You think so?
I think it would be 70-30.
I think like 90-10.
70-30, but the creators, the people that are putting out the content, I think are like 90% women and 10% men. It's dominated by women.
Yeah.
OnlyFans is right now dominated by women.
I think all the fans
but
are
the
men.
viewers are
and-
men.
Yeah, all the viewers are men.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
the content creators are women.
Correct. Do you think OnlyFans will ever boom in India?
In India, no.
No?
No chance.
No chance?
No chance.
You think the government will stop it?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah?
For sure. 100%.
Do you think...
You know, porn is banned in India.
But I checked. There's an OnlyFans office in Delhi.
What are you saying?
Yeah. There's an OnlyFans office in Delhi and they're looking for a business development head. That are we going backwards as human beings?
Yes.
Are we like getting dumber, bro?
Yes.
You think that? Shit?
Yes. Because just look at the irony of the situation. We have the option to see any and every kind of porn in any and every kind of category. You want to see live porn, whatever you want.
Anything you want, it's
for
available.
free.
Exactly.
Click of a button.
Exactly.
But people are saying, no. I want to pay money and hardly see shit. Give me a little bit and take my money.
But
Don't
why?
give me everything for free.
But that's why I'm saying, are people getting dumber or like what?
Yes.
Yeah, right?
Yes.
Yes.